So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all the students. And we are starting English, Oxford English autobiography. And it's on page number 242. Page number 242, autobiography of Laurie Lee. This is O level education, and they are teaching you about O level education, that how useless O level education is. They did not say this in the in this, but this is where they were used as people. See, you have to realize this, you understand something very important. When Muslims were doing their own research, they were writing on their own books, they were on the top of the world. They were in the top of their science, chemistry, biology, botany, surgery. Muslims were on top. Then the enemies of Islam, now these are the enemies of Islam and the enemies of Muslims. First one we have already discussed the Maulvis. Now, second one are these burger families. What is a burger family? Burger family, they eat a burger, wear short clothes, and they feel very hot and they feel very cold. What does it mean? During the summertime, they like to wear less and less and less clothes, and during winter time, they want to wear more and more and more clothes. Why? Because they are burger and they don't understand that Karachi is not like Africa, and Karachi has a very 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 mild weather. Our winter is also very mild. Right now, what you are experiencing is Karachi weather at its best. We have some cold nights, they are not very cold also, and then we have warm days and they are not very cold. So this is the difference. Karachi has wonderful weather. In most of the European countries, they are dank and chilly and cold and useless climate where people are always sitting inside. They cannot go for a nice walk, nothing, no sun. So they made their entire O level education. And this is why, O level education, लिखें O level education. O level education. Meaning, ये एक्चुअल मीनिंग है, मैंने नहीं बनाए. Ordinary level of education. Ordinary level of education. Ordinary level of education. तो जो जितनी बर्गर फैमिली है, एक तो बर्गर फैमिलीज हैं, दे वांट टू बी लाइक द नॉन मुस्लिम्स. और उसके बाद बर्गर फैमिली की कॉपीज हैं. बर्गर फैमिलीज की कॉपीज क्या हैं? कि सूखे सूखे मरे मरे सड़े सड़े लोग जो होते हैं उनको ये बर्गर फैमिली के जो है कॉपीज है. तो जो बर्गर फैमिली की कॉपीज हैं, दे वांट टू कॉपी द बर्गर्स, तो उनको भी जो ओ लेवल चाहिए. अच्छा, फिर उसके बाद ओ लेवल करके करना क्या है? पता नहीं. पढ़ोगे क्या? उसके अंदर पढ़े बगैर नंबर आ जाते हैं. हाँ 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 हाँ. जब ओ लेवल करने बैठते हैं, कहते हैं ओ इसमें तो नंबर नहीं आ रहे. ओ रट्टाफिकेशन. ओ ये क्या हुआ? ओ लेवल के एग्जाम्स आर अवेलेबल. ओ लेवल की जो है टेस्ट पेपर्स आर अवेलेबल. इसी तरीके से 10 years के पेपर छप रहे हैं ओ लेवल के. क्या ओ लेवल है? ऑर्डिनरी लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन. So this is the beginning of the O level education, how it became O level education. क्या क्यों लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट किया? फिर बता रहा हूं आपको. The burger families, they promoted the O level education. burger families क्या? दीन से दूर रहो, कपड़े कम पहनो, थोड़ी सा गुनाह करो, फिर और थोड़ा गुनाह करो, फिर ये ठीक ठाक डट के गुनाह करो. Yes, these are called burger families. हमारा इतना मजेदार बंद कबाब होता था, उसको चेंज कर दिया, बर्गर बना दिया. A1 होते हैं बर्गर. ये जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे, यूरोपियन थे, अमेरिकन थे, व्हाट वर दे डूइंग? आपको जो है अभी जो आएगा मैडम, हैव यू गाइस स्टडीड क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस? देखिए ऑल these यूरोपियन explorers, Christopher Columbus and Diaz and so many others, every time they were going out, they were looking for spices. Our burgers are full of spices. They were, going for looking for spices, cinnamon, cloves, olives, or black pepper, because all these things do not grow in Europe. So they were looking for how to reach Indo-Pak subcontinent. The Indo-Pak subcontinent was under the Muslim rule. उसके बाद हुआ क्या कि the burger families, the burgers, ये जो सारे जो मुगल empire थी, how it was destroyed. They were destroyed by the Europeans. क्या किया? उनका ना दीन है, ना ईमान, ना वो अल्लाह को मानते हैं, ना वो जो किसी को काफिर कहते हैं, ना किसी को अच्छा कहते हैं. तुम्हें नंगा बैठना है नंगा बैठ जाओ, कपड़े पहन के बैठना है कपड़े पहन के बैठ जाओ, तुम्हें बैठना है बैठो, नहीं बैठना है नहीं बैठो, खड़े हो खड़े हो. हमारे यहाँ एक माशरा है, वी हैव अ मुस्लिम सोसाइटी वेयर वुमेन इज गिवन ऑनर एंड रिस्पेक्ट. उन लोगों का एक माशरा है, कोई औरत की कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है. और जो है 1600 के अंदर तो जो है औरतों को जो है एक तरीके से ये लोग बेचते थे. तो किस तरह से बेचते थे? ला के यहाँ पे जो है वो उन्होंने अपनी गंदी गंदी औरतों को जो है भेज दिया पाकिस्तान के अंदर, इंडो पाक सब कॉन्टिनेंट के अंदर. मुगल एम्पायर बेचारे, वो मेरी इज्जत, और आपस में शहजादे थे, देवर फाइटिंग, ये मेरी इज्जत. पता चला कि ना वो मेरी इज्जत ना वो तेरी इज्जत, वो तो थी बाजार की इज्जत. यहाँ पे इन सबको लड़ाया धुड़ाया, शराब पिलाई, भगाया, और उसके बाद दे वेंट बैक टू देयर बाजार इन इंग्लैंड. So let's see, Aliza Adi, let's read.
Yes, sir.
Start from the top.
Autobiography. The following text comes from Cedar with Rosie, the autobiography of Laurie Lee, the poet and writer, who was born in 1914. He was born in a steep valley in Slade in rural Gloucestershire in the west of England, where his mother struggled to look after her large family. Laurie Lee described his first day at the village school.
Okay, stop for a minute. Now this was the introduction to the chapter, and they have given you all the answers, okay, to the introduction of the chapter. So I'm going to ask, then you guys should answer. What is the name of the chapter? Yes, correct answer, Hajra, village school. What is the country of origin? बेटा, all of you are sleeping. क्या हुआ?
Cider with Rosie.
Sir, England.
Sir,
England. Okay, the country of origin is England. The country of origin is England, and they have given a complete address. The rural area called Gloucestershire in the west of England. So this is the name of the town, Gloucestershire. Gloucestershire in the west of England. So if you write England is correct, but if you write only Gloucestershire, incorrect, because we are talking about country of origin. Then next question is type of story.
Autobiography.
Biography.
Very good. Autobiography. Then the time period of the story.
1914.
Yes, very good answer. Correct answer, 1914. So 1900. Then, अच्छा वो Yes, the name of the author.
Laurie Lee.
Correct
Laurie Lee.
answer. Laurie Lee. Very good, Kissa Ajra. So this is how the introduction of the chapter is done. Now, and she is going to describe the first day of school. Now, Laurie Lee is a man or a woman? Aja is saying man. Any other guess?
Sir, woman.
Man.
Man, woman, man, woman. Aliza is saying man. It's a man. How do we know? Because when we read Laurie Lee describes his first, his, underline his. His is only used for boys. Although his name is strange, looks like a woman's name, but this is a man. Laurie Lee describes his first day at the village school. So Laurie Lee is a man. All right. Okay. All right, Eliza, let's read.
The village school. The village school at that time provided all the instruction we were likely to ask for. It was a small stone barn divided by a wooden partition into two rooms, the infants and the big ones. There was one desk, a teacher, and perhaps a young girl assistant. Every child in the village crowding there remained until he was 14 years old, then was presented to the working field or factory with nothing in his head more troublesome than a jumbled list of words and a dreamy image of the world's geography.
Geography. All right. Thank you, Eliza. Now, here are 2, 3 words. There was one dame teacher. Dame here, if you look at the left hand side, it says dame teacher, the woman teacher in charge of the classes in the school. So it was a lady teacher and they call it a dame teacher. Okay. Now, ain't is a dialect for am not or are not. It is also written on the left hand side. Barn. Look at the word barn. Barn means it's a big wooden structure. It's a big wooden structure, like a very big hall. Like a very big hall. And they normally keep their cows and goats and hay in the barn. Ahmad Ansari, this is the second period going on. We are on page 242 of English book. The village school, page number 242. Okay, open your book, English book, Oxford English, page number 242. So it was a big barn, a big hall like a building, and they divided the whole building into 2 rooms. And one room was just for small children, and one room for the big children. And then 14, when the child became 14 years old, he graduated from their school. And what did they graduate with? They were completely confused children. How do we know they are confused children? They said, if you read the last 2 lines, he was 14 years old then, was presented to the working field or factory with nothing in his head. Underline this. With nothing in his head, more troublesome than a jumbled list of words and a dreamy image of world's geography. देखिए मकसद क्या हुआ? Muslims fight for a reason. Okay, Muslims fight for a reason. These non-Muslims, they fight unnecessarily. World War I क्यों लड़े थे? पागल हैं, दिमाग खराब है. World War II, why they fought? कोई रिलीजन था? नहीं, सब गधे थे. So they were fighting for land. Their reason, Islam always fought to propagate the deen of Allah. Muslims always fought to propagate the deen of Allah. They fought for land. Always it was occupation of land. More land, more land, more land. So now we are talking about that there was a jumbled कहते हैं a confused state of mind. Everything mixed together. Jumbled. एक हो गया barn, then आया jumbled. A confused state of mind where everything is mixed together. A confused state of mind where everything is mixed together, where they cannot distinguish from, what reason they can give. In the Second World War, Europe were all Christians, America, Christians, the Germany, all Christians. Why they were fighting? So this is why they are saying a jumbled list of wars. कि उन्होंने ये तो बता दिया, ये जंग हुई, 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 we had a war here, war there, war there. क्यों? They are not able to explain and give a proper reason that why people fought, why they killed each other, why acquisition of land was so important for them. अच्छा, second, a dreamy image of the world's geography. ड्रीमी इमेज कि ये दुनिया ऐसी खूबसूरत है और यहाँ पे ऐसा है. ड्रीमी इमेज, नथिंग प्रैक्टिकल वाज टॉट. और अभी भी जो है ओ लेवल का यही हाल है. व्हेन दी ओ लेवल चिल्ड्रन कम आउट, they are completely confused. I had 2 children. Now 18 years have passed, so a lot of time has passed. I had 2 children and they were very happy here. Well, actually, it was a complete family, 1, 2, 3. 1 girl and 2 boys. Had the mother confused, she put the children to hips. They were here for 4 or 5 years. After that, they went for hips. फिर उसके बाद 6-7 years they did their hips. उसके बाद then they did their O level. जब when they did their O level, उनकी टीचर ने उनके जहन के अंदर और मदरसे वालों ने ये जहन के अंदर बैठा दिया कि जो है तुम तो साइंस पढ़ ही नहीं सकते. अब देखें अलमिया क्या है. उनके 2 जवान बेटे, अब उन्होंने हिफ्स कर लिया है, ओ लेवल भी कर लिया है और कंप्लीटली कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि जिंदगी में करना क्या है. And they were here to see me. मैंने उनको भी समझाया. उसके बाद ये अब क्या है, एक चीज होती है झूठ बोलना. ये ओ लेवल वालों को ना ऐसा पक्का सिखा देते हैं. सबसे बड़े झूठे ओ लेवल वाले, ए लेवल वाले होते हैं. क्यों होते हैं? दूसरे मौलवी भी होते हैं, मदरसे वाले होते हैं तीसरे. बार बार उनके जो है वो बच्ची और बच्चे, मेरे लिए तो बच्चे ही हैं, बार के हमें स्कूल बड़ा पसंद है, हमें इस स्कूल बड़ा पसंद है, वी लव इस स्कूल, वी लव यू सरशाज, आई लव यू. भाई कहाँ से लव? ये वो वाला ही लव है जिसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. ये सिखा दिया जाता है ओ लेवल के अंदर, ए लेवल में. वी लव यू सो मच, वी लर्न सो मच, योर स्कूल इज सो गुड. मैं सुनता रहा. एक आया, उसने मीटिंग की मेरे साथ, फिर दूसरा बच्चा आया, उसने की मीटिंग, सुनता रहा. आखिर में थक गया. मैं कहा बेटा मेरी बात सुन. If you liked Ace School, then you would be studying in Ace School. समझ में आ रही? नहीं समझ में आ रही? देखिए, अगर आपको कोई स्कूल पसंद है तो आप उसके अंदर पढ़ रहे होंगे ना. अगर आपको कोई स्कूल पसंद ही नहीं है तो खाली उसके जो है ऑनर को ये कहते रहना मुझे आपसे बड़ी मोहब्बत है और आप जो है बड़े अच्छे हैं और आपने हमें बड़ा अच्छा सिखाया और मुझे आज तक याद है वो साइंस स्ट्रिप्स और जो है हमारी जो साइंस एग्जीबिशन होता था और हमारे यहाँ ये प्रोग्राम होता था और इतना हमें मजा आया, एक नंबर के मुनाफिक बच्चे बन गए। अब तो जवान हो गए, दाढ़ियों मूछों वाले, इसको कहते हैं मुनाफिक। मैं कहा अच्छा एक तो आप यहाँ पढ़ नहीं रहे, अच्छा। मैं कहा उसके बाद आपके छोटे बहन भाई भी थे? कह रहा हाँ। मैं कहा वो कौन से स्कूल में? देन दे टोल्ड मी वो स्कूल में। मैं कहा एक और एक छोटा भाई और था आपका, वो कहाँ? वो उस स्कूल में। मैं कहा बेटा अब आप झूठ बोलना बंद कर दें, झूठ बोलना गंदी बात होती है, ये इस स्कूल में सिखाते हैं और कुरान में सिखाया गया है। लोगों को धोखा देना, झूठ बोलना, ये सब झूठ है, मत बोला करो। क्योंकि अगर उनको स्कूल पसंद होता तो वो जो है उनके छोटे बहन भाई यहाँ पढ़ रहे होते। आ रही समझ में? सो ऑलवेज जे ओ लेवल का कमाल है। I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, Mama, I love you. We have a Mother's Day. Oh, Papa, I love you. I have a Father's Day. Oh, teacher, I love you. And we have a Teacher's Day. And I love you. We have a Valentine's Day. Love Day. Love Day. Love, 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 love. So this is how children become completely confused. Any question? तो पूछा करो, आप जब पूछेंगे तो मुझे पता चलेगा ना आपकी कोई बात समझ में आई नहीं आई। जब अगर सब कुछ समझ में आ गया तो कहो सर सब समझ में आ गया, मालूम फाजिल हो। Telling we will have more discussion when we come back. Okay. So here let's see कहाँ गया ये दूसरा बच्चा मेरा, एक और बच्चा है मोहम्मद अली गौरी। लेट्स कंटिन्यू। पैराग्राफ 2।
The morning came without any warning. When my sisters surrounded me, wrapped me in scarves, tied up my bootlaces, thrust a cap on my head, and stuffed a baked potato in my pocket.
Baked.
What's this? I said.
It's a baked
You are
potato,
starting
पका हुआ
school.
आलू।
Stuffed a baked potato in my pocket. What's this? I said. You are starting school. Today? I ain't. I'm stopping home. Now come on, lol. You are a big boy now. I ain't. You are. Boo-hoo. They picked me up bodily, kicking and bawling, and carried me up the road. Boys who don't go to school get put into boxes and turned into rabbits and get chopped up on Sundays, they said.
Okay, stop. Thank you. See here, they are explaining that in the morning his older sisters came and they gave him lunch. Lunch was his baked potato. यहाँ पे in Pakistan we don't eat baked potato. Very शायद ही खाता है कोई अलावा मेरे. So it is very tasty. You know, you put it in an oven, you bake it, and then you cut it, and then you put butter inside it. So tasty. So this was his lunch. So he was supposed to bring his lunch, and then now again this is wrong advice, wrong thing that they were saying, the sisters were saying, because they were also, you know, like semi-educated O-level sisters. So they said that young boys who do not go to school, these are the last two lines, boys who do not go to school get put into boxes and turned into rabbits and get chopped up on Sunday. क्या मतलब हुआ कि जो है बच्चों को जो है जो स्कूल नहीं जाते उनको डिब्बे में रख देते हैं और फिर डिब्बे को जो है खोलते हैं और उसके जो टुकड़े टुकड़े करके संडे सबको बांट देते हैं। तो क्या कर रही थी और दोनों डरा रही थी अपने छोटे भाई को, लॉरी ली को। So it says boys who don't go to school get put into boxes and turned into rabbits. हाँ, फिर वो उनको खरगोश बना देते हैं and then get chopped up. और वहाँ पे अमेरिका के अंदर क्योंकि इतनी देखें ये यूरोप है ना, यूरोप के अंदर ना बहुत सख्त सर्दी होती है, आप लोगों को इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते. इट इज हाउ कोल्ड इट इज. तो वहाँ पे ये रैबिट्स जो है मैंने रैबिट फार्म बनाया था, शायद आप लोगों को याद हो. इट वाज अ प्रोजेक्ट. अब वो हमारे जो है स्टेम प्रोजेक्ट, आई स्टेम प्रोजेक्ट याद है? एनीबडी रिमेम्बर? Yes, okay, one child said remember. So they read a
Yes,
rabbit.
I remember.
Very good. Ahmad Ansari also remembers. So they, rabbit is a small animal and then it can easily run here, there. And then in Europe, because it is always cold, तो आपने देखा है कि rabbit has this big cold fur. हमारे जो rabbits यहाँ पे नहीं चल पाए दादा, एक तो ये था कि there was no ground here. और उसके बाद ये आखिर में मैंने जो उनको खा लिया और बच्चों को भी खिला दिया, उनको सबको एक एक रैबिट दे दिया कि जाएं आप लोग अपना अपना रैबिट खाएं. एंड दे ऑल एंजॉयड इट आल्सो. इट वाज वेरी टेस्टी. सो खैर ये तो हो गया फूड. सो दे ईट रैबिट्स एंड दीज आर वाइल्ड रैबिट्स. वाइल्ड रैबिट्स क्या होते हैं? दे आर बिगर देन द होम रैबिट्स. ओके, एंड दीज वाइल्ड रैबिट्स दे ऑलमोस्ट गेट अप टू 4 kg. 4 kg का एक रैबिट. सो देन यू यूज्ड टू ईट देम. संडे क्यों है? संडे इस छुट्टी का दिन है. इट्स अ हॉलीडे. तो क्रिश्चियन है तो संडे को they will cut their rabbits and then eat them. Everybody clear? Any question up to here? Paragraph 2, everybody understand? One child
Yes,
said.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ahmad Ansari, let's read paragraph 3. Ahmad Ansari, read paragraph 3. Okay, he's out of order. Let's see, I think most probably left it and then went away somewhere. Huh? Yes, Yusra, let's read paragraph 3.
I felt this was overdoing it rather, but I said no more after that. I arrived at the school just 3 feet tall and fatly wrapped in scarves. The playground rode like a rodeo and the potato burned through my thigh. Old boots, ragged stockings, torn trousers, and skirts went skating and skiding around me. The rebel closed in. I was encircled. Grit flew in my face like shrapnel. Tall girls with frizzled hair and huge boys with sharp elbows began to prod me with hideous interest. They plucked at my scarves, spun me round like a top, screwed my nose, and stole my potato.
All right, stop. Now here, he's finally talking about it that he is in the school. Now playground rodeo, it's a game in America. In Europe they play where they ride wild horses and bulls. So they make a lot of noise. They make a lot of noise. So it is done in a stadium where they actually ride horses and bulls. And it is very loud. So here, he is telling us that the playground was very, very loud. How many of you have seen a rodeo? On the TV, I know, not in real, but okay, one said yes, khali ek. So you can go to YouTube, write rodeo, bull riding, and you will see many videos. You can watch a 5-minute video that will give you an idea how loud they are. Aisha wants to tell something.
When we went to Rimwood, there was an
When we went to the dream world, there was an electronic rodeo bull. On that, I ride it.
So she is talking about the when we went to the dream world. Remember last year we went to the dream world and there were many activities. So there we participated and we rode a wild bull. It was a electronic mechanical bull. So that is why. So this is something to get an idea what we are talking about. And then the potato, because as I told you, it is baked in a oven. So it was very hot and it was burning in his thighs. Now because they have these skating and all this is because when you have so much ice everywhere, so many times they have these simple shoes. They are made of iron skating shoes. So children were skating here, there, and girls, tall girls with frizzled hair. Frizzled means wrinkled because they are wrinkled. Frizzled means wrinkled and twisted. Frizzled means wrinkled and twisted, frizzled hair, and huge boys. Huge boys, क्यों? Because he was a small boy, only 3 feet tall. So they were adults, boys, because when you live in a farm, normally they are very big. Even in Pakistan also, if you take a 10-year-old boy from Karachi and you take a 10-year-old boy from a farm, the boy from the farm area would be very big. So this is how the difference is, that they were big and they were pulling him and they were making fun of him and they were looking at him. Hideous meaning extremely naughty way, hideous interest, extremely naughty and cunning way of taking interest into someone. Very naughty and cunning way of taking interest. They were basically, making fun of the child. They were making fun of the child. And they spun me round. Then they spun me. Spun, to rotate somebody. Underline these words. These comes in the, I'm underlining them. Spun means to rotate somebody in round, 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 round. Like a top. Top. T-O-P, top, top, top. किसे कहते हैं top? Who can tell me?
सबसे ऊपर वाला.
No. Yes. Ajay is saying lattu. Yes, it's a lattu. Top means a lattu. जो गोल लकड़ी का टुकड़ा नहीं होता, उसके ऊपर रस्सी बांधते हैं, then you pull it. उसके बाद ये लट्टू घूमता है. फिर जो गली के जो गंदे बच्चे होते हैं वो लट्टू लड़ाते हैं. मेरे लट्टू ने तुम्हारा लट्टू गिरा दिया, अला बला बला बक 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 बक. सो लड़ाई झगड़ा करते हैं. तो दे स्पन मी लाइक अ लट्टू. क्या घुमाया मुझे गोल 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 लाइक अ लट्टू. एंड स्क्रूड माई नोज. मेरी जो है देन स्क्रूड क्या हुआ? मड़ोड़ना. टू ट्विस्ट इट. एंड स्टोल माई पोटैटो. फिर मस्ती करते 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 जो है दे टुक हिज पोटैटो. हाँ, took his potato. Oh my God. Lunch is gone. No more potato. Huge boys, tall girls, rebelled. Okay, here the word is rebel. Rebel closed in me. Yeah, this is expression, underline the whole thing. Rebelled, closed in me. That means the naughty children. Because we are talking about a school. So that is why we are saying extremely naughty children. Otherwise, rebel means baghi. Okay. Normally, if you say a rebel, it means a baghi, badmash, dushman. But here, because you are talking about a school, so rebel means here extremely naughty children, and they came close to me. Extremely naughty children, they came close to me. See, then next sentence is I was encircled. Encircled again, encircled, surrounded from all sides. Word is encircled. Okay, the word is encircled, meaning surround from all sides. चारों तरफ से घेर लिया. Encircled, surround me from all sides. फिर उसके बाद ये है, then they said girls flew in my face like sharpnel. देखिए ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है. ये जो ना इंग्लिश है ना, तो दे आर यूजिंग फ्लावरी इंग्लिश. पता है ना, कोई जो क्यूट सा गोल मटोल सा जो है बच्चा आ जाता है, उसके मोटे मोटे चीख हैं वगैरह वगैरह, तो कोई आगे जो उसकी नाक पकड़ लेता है, तो कोई उसके गाल मरोड़ा होता है. सो दीज वर ओल्डर गर्ल्स एंड दे फ्लू इन माई फेस लाइक शार्पनेल. नहीं, बाद औक़ात जो है हवा चलती है बहुत तेजी से, और फिर उस तेज हवा के साथ जो है हल्के हल्के से बारीक बारीक जो है स्टोन्स भी उड़ते हैं. जैसे आंधी आती है तो मुंह के ऊपर टकराते हैं. दोज आर कॉल्ड शार्पनेल्स. Small. Now here they are not talking about the sharpness of stones. Here he is talking about me कि कभी किसी की उंगली आ रही है, कोई मुझे प्यार कर रहा है, कोई मेरे गाल मरोड़ रहा है, कोई नाक मरोड़ रहा है, तो कोई मुझे से वैसे ही प्यार कर रहा है. तो this is a different. So older girls, they surrounded him and then they were playing with him. So he is talking about these fingers which were acting like sharpness. उसको ऐसा महसूस हो रहा था कि ये लोग मुझे नोच रहे हैं, खचोट रहे हैं, जबकि वो लोग जो बड़ी लड़कियां थी, the older girls, they were actually appreciating. and जैसे गोल मटोल बच्चा आया, अच्छा अच्छा गोला गोला, तो उसके साथ खेल लेते. Everybody understands? So here sharpnel means the fingers of the girls who are touching his face. तो आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे here. Normally, again, complete expression है. Normally sharpnel means small pointy stones. Small pointy stones भी हो सकते हैं, या लकड़ी भी हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकती है. But here, so normally sharpnel means small pointy stones. But according to the chapter, we are talking about the fingers of the girls who are loving this little boy Laurie Lee. Any question here from paragraph 3?
No.
No, sir.
All right. So let's see. Infant, small children. Infants is earlier in paragraph 1. Infants, small children. In paragraph 1, there is a word called infants. Infant means small children. All right, Kissa, let's read paragraph 4.
Okay, sir. I was rescued at last by a gracious lady, the 16-year-old junior teacher, who boxed a few ears and dried my face and led me off the infants. I spent that first day, picking holes in paper, and then went home in a smoldering temper. What's the matter, lol? Didn't we like it at school then? They never gave me the present. Present? What present? They said they did give me a present. Well, now I am sure they didn't. They say, you are Laurie Lee, ain't you? Well, you just sit there for the present. I sat there all day, but I never got it. I ain't going back there again.
Next paragraph.
But after a week, I felt like a veteran and grew as ruthless as anyone else. Somebody has stolen my potato. So I swiped. Someone else's apple. The infant room was packed with toys such as I did never seen before. Colored shapes and rows of clay, stuffed birds and coloring books. Also a frame of counting beads which our young teacher played like a harp, leaning against us and guiding.
Now read the two captions also, boxed ears and swipe.
Boxed ears. To box a child's ear is to smack him or her, but usually a him, hard across the ear, a painful and dangerous punishment which is no longer allowed in schools. Swipe. Colloquial for stole. Another colloquial word with the same meaning is nicked.
All right, thank you. Now what they are talking about, now there is a little confusion. Why the child was very upset, Laurie Louis was very upset. Why he was upset? He said that they never, first he was rescued. How he was rescued? All these naughty boys and girls who were bothering him. So the teacher came, she was only 16 years old, just 2 years older. And then she scolded the children and boxed them, slapped them, which you hear on the left side also. And then she took him to his class, the infants. So he stayed there, and then he was all day sitting there, sitting there, sitting there, and she said, just sit here for your present. Now, what did the teacher mean by that? Who can tell me what does it mean? The teacher said, just okay, today is your first day, just sit here for the present. Try, it's okay, give me a wrong answer. Yes, Aksa, give me a wrong answer. Aliza, Kissa, Hamna, Yusra. All right, give me a wrong answer. Don't worry. There's a humor here. There's a little joke here.
Because he will never miss his parents.
Okay, because he will never miss. Cha. Anybody else?
Sir, because it was his first day.
It was his first day, okay. So teacher was going to give him a present. Yes, anybody else? Yes, Hajra. Try. Read it again and then tell me what is the joke here. What is the humor here? Humor कहते हैं joke को. There is a big joke here.
Sir, can I try?
Yes, try. Yes, Kissa.
Sir, because his potato was stolen.
His potato was stolen, okay. Right now, this is not the joke. There is a bigger joke here. Very big, 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 big joke. All right, the joke here is this in the humor. This is also the answer to question number 1. The humor in the story depends on the little boy's misunderstanding. Misunderstanding kya thi? The misunderstanding of the word present. When the teacher does the roll call, the student says present. So the teacher meant that just sit here on this chair for your roll call and then you will say present. But the child confused that present with a gift. Everybody understand now? So the child thought that the teacher is going to give him a gift, and this is why he was very upset when he reached home. because he was hoping, waiting for his gift. And then if you guys remember, all of you tiny ones who came here to our school, when you come here on that first day of the classes, we give you guys a little gift, some chocolate and biscuits and milk. Everybody who comes in the toddler, preschool, kindergarten, grade 1, they get this gift. Not everybody, only these smaller children. So this is the kind of a gift that child was waiting for, but the teacher meant that, okay, stay here for your roll call. Roll call पता है ना, attendance लेने को कहते हैं. So wait for your attendance, and then when I say call your name, you have to say present. अब समझ में आया? Everybody clear? Aye.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, what was the result? So after a week passed, then he said that I became a veteran. Here, normally veteran is called a war veteran, okay? People who have experience. People who have experience. But in this case, this is not talking about experience. And they are talking about experience. This is not a war experience, but he became a veteran of the school. That means that he became an experienced child of the school. And those are called veterans. Whenever you go somewhere and first day you are a new child, and then after a week he became a veteran, and he learned all the bad habits also. And he started learning. You see, normally you go to school and you learn good habits. But this was a bad school, O-level school. So they learned the bad habits. And one of his bad habit was that he learned to, so I swiped. He said, I swiped. Swiped means you get chori karna. Okay. To take somebody else. So somebody took his potato. So उसने क्या किया? Now after he became a veteran, he took somebody's apple. ये जो है क्या है? ये एक तरह की चोरी है. तो बच्चे को ओ लेवल में शुरू से सिखा रहे हैं, देखो बेटा चोरी कैसे करते हैं. दिस इज हाउ ही बिकेम अ वेटरन, जबकि ये जो है बैड हैबिट है. और उसके बाद ये देन ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इट दैट देयर व्हाट वाज इन देयर, जो भी इस क्लास थी, counting beads were there, different colors were there, and they were guiding and teaching them how to read and write. So now what you will do is, when you are going to go home and then you're going to all study, and then you're going to read this chapter again and again and again and again and again and again, read it 2-3 times and do all the question answers. Tomorrow I am going to ask you, there are 8 questions. I want you to read the chapter. Anytime you don't understand, read the chapter, and I have explained everything. ये जितनी exercise है ना, I have explained everything. कोई चीज भी नहीं छोड़ी है. सब सारे question. Yes, the exercise on page 244. 243, 45 पे नहीं, 43, 4 तक, up to 44. All the exercises up to 244. एक चीज I have explained. So you should be able to answer all of them. All of you have to promise that you have to try. If you are not going to try, you are never going to learn. So even if you write wrong answer, it's okay. Don't worry about it. You write a wrong answer. आपने अपने दिमाग को इस्तेमाल तो किया. अगर आप अपने दिमाग को इस्तेमाल करेंगे तो आप सीखेंगे. अपने दिमाग को इस्तेमाल नहीं करेंगे तो वैसे के वैसे ही रहेंगे जैसे आए थे, और वैसे के वैसे ही चले जाएंगे जहाँ जा रहे. इसलिए जो है इस्लाम, ये जो है हमारे मजहब का हिस्सा है. It is the order of Allah to use our brain. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू ताला बार बार जो हमसे कुरान में पूछते हैं, क्या तुम सोचते समझते नहीं हो? अल्लाह पूछ रहे हैं, क्या तुम सोचते समझते नहीं हो? तो मैं उसी बात को आप तक पहुंचा रहा हूँ कि वी आर टेलिंग यू कि आप जो है इन सारे क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ना, और उसके बाद जो है ये आपका होम असाइनमेंट है फॉर टुनाइट. और उसके बाद ट्राई टू आंसर ईच वन ऑफ देम. सारे छोटे छोटे से आंसर हैं, 2 लाइन 3 लाइन 2 लाइन 3 लाइन से बड़े बड़े आंसर नहीं है, एक एक वर्ड 2-2 वर्ड के. Everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
So we have gone again more than 50 minutes. So ये मेरी class end ही नहीं करते हैं. So I am going to end my class. Inshallah, we'll see you tomorrow, bright and early, around 8 o'clock. 2 classes will be done, 2 periods. After that, it will be off. Other teachers क्या करेंगे I don't know, but I am going to conduct my classes. फिर बता रहा हूँ सबको. Tomorrow there will be a class, 2 periods tomorrow on 25th, because Muslims do not celebrate birthday parties. Muslims do not celebrate क्या था Christmas, and Muslims do not have a holiday on Friday. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam.